Alright, what's up, guys? So, we're doing the intro now for, the video we are, the video we're gonna be doing later. We're doing the intro now. Hold on, I gotta get that. I'll keep filming. Hello?
Upstairs? She call him a phone.
Hello?
Miss.
Hey. Yeah, hold on.
We'll just wait for his ass.
Anna. Lindsay.
Hello, Hen? She's on crack now.
Alright, so yeah. What's up, guys?
Like we were saying,
tonight we're filming a video. We're gonna be pranking IB Vlogging, aka IB Scoot Dad.
We're gonna blow air horns, and Eddie's gonna smack him on his head with whipped cream or whatever we find that's funny, like, you know, smack him or whatever. And hopefully we get a good reaction, unlike the last video. Probably you guys are mad about that one. So,
what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go Michael Jordan.
yeah, like that, with whipped cream or something like
but
that.
you're gonna, yeah.
Hard. So, I'll see you guys tonight, I guess. Bye.
Bye.
Horns now.
You wanna blow my
Air
horn,
horns. We got the air horns now, so we're gonna go to Adrian's on our way.
On our way.
On our way. Adrian on our way. On our way. Adrian on our way. Way.
On a rock.
Hey, so
Hey, just got a new.
we have a horn that's
Here. All right, we're about to pull up. So I'm just not gonna stop the video. Sorry if it's dark, guys. It is like fucking 9 or 10. Sorry for cussing, Mom. Shut up. Turn off the lights. Okay.
I can still see you.
Oh no. I would do it if you guys don't do it.
Alexa, order tape.
Why?
Because you talk so much shit to me, you guys.
Really?
That was him on my phone
Introducing
texting you.
Tresemme Boutique, a blend of coconut milk and aloe
How did I
vera
know?
and a professional
I knew it.
quality for
I guess changes the plan. We're not gonna do the prank on Adrian because he's, I guess, in a bad mood or whatever, and we're not trying to test him. So we're gonna go to McDonald's and just fuck with the people, with the cashiers, yeah, with the air horns. Just have fun, I guess, because this video's not going like we wanted to. So we're gonna have fun with it. So it's not clickbait. All right, so we'll see you guys there.
later.
So they're gonna walk in 30 seconds after us, me and Billy. Come on, Billy. 30 seconds. Go on the left side. These guys are fucking nuts, bro. The guy got so scared, guys. He said he already seen it coming, dude. He was like,
He said, sure.
What'd he say?
He said,
Alright, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys saw that.
Let's go this way.
do you guys have the McHorn?
And
He's like,
we were a little nervous to do it,
what
but
is,
no, we just
nah,
hugged
blah,
it.
blah.
But
And,
thanks, Billy.
we were, Eddie was like, you want to know what it is? He's like, oh, sure. And then we blew it. And he was like, he had that face.
Like what?
You know, he's like, like that. He's like, twhack the fuck out.